Hello everyone.
Hi there. Hi.
We've took a trip to the caravan. It's the first time we've been to it since all the frosts and everything, and since we did our last videos. So we're just going to go and check on it, make sure it's all right, survived the frosts.
And it's not lonely.
It's not lonely. And then I'm wearing a hat because my hair's a mess. And we're also going to just, because it's been sat there for a little while now, we're going to take the locks off and raise the corner steadies and everything, and move the caravan backwards and forwards. Also going to reattach the battery. I'm not sure if it's such a good idea because it's absolutely pouring down. But we're going to reattach the battery just to give the battery some use backwards and forwards as well.
It's been raining quite a lot as well, so we just wanted to make sure like the tyres weren't sat in puddles and destroying the tyres. So it seems okay from what we can see so far. Yeah,
we've just arrived at the storage and it's absolutely pounding down. So
brilliant day.
Yeah, it's a lovely day for filming.
For ducks.
Nice weather for ducks. So enjoy. Put this temporarily in here because we're going to reconnect it again in a few minutes. I'll put it inside the car to keep it dry. I don't think we need to put it all the way up because we're only going to shift it forward a bit, don't we? Right, that's where I'm going to put it. It's going to be very wet. Unlock it and do it later. And just slide that into there. Might need to give it a bit of a dry before I connect everything. There's that. Put this. Oh, put it on. Probably best, isn't it? Let's see now. So, just moving the caravan backward and forward. to get the lock back on. That's it. Oh, we're flying.
So is that now in the position where the lock can go back in?
I'm just going to reline it up now.
That's the nut there, isn't it? Just there. So it's really important just to make sure before you do anything else and think you've finished, make sure you've definitely got that lined up.
That's about
Yeah.
from there or thereabouts.
Perfect. We noticed there was quite a lot of mud there underneath there, so instead of reversing it, we've decided to go a bit higher up where the ground's a little bit firmer. Hopefully that jockey wheel just won't go sinking into that if it's a bit higher up. Plus the nose of the Caravan's going to be a bit more raised as well. Right, let's just check now again to just make sure that nut's in the right place. How's it doing? Not too bad.
So what we've done there is took all the steadies up, reconnected the battery, and moved the Caravan backwards and forwards a couple of times, and then we're just recollecting we're just recollecting the lock and putting the steadies back down again, so it's just in a different position so it doesn't sit on the same bit of the tyre the whole time. Right, we're in the Caravan and we'll give it a quick check over because it's been sat here for a few weeks. All seems, can't see any obvious wet patches or leaky bits or anything, so it all looks fine. When we felt the cushions, they did feel a little bit damp to touch, but I don't know if that's normal, how damp that feels.
We didn't take off the little covers on them either, did we? So maybe we should have took those off.
Now we're finished with it. A bit wet. And put it away back in the garage and get it back on charge again.